What's up, campers? In today's 2-minute travel trailers, I want to go over this truck camper. This is a 1600 SS by Palomino REAL Lite. It's made for those compact trucks, and I can't wait to show you.
The 1600 soft side is built for those compact trucks at 12 foot 8 inches long, 6 foot 4 inches wide, 6 foot floor length, 6 foot closed height, and 7 foot interior height. It has on-demand hot water, city water, furnace exhaust. There's a fresh water fill. This has the electric lift system. So all we do is push a button to lift it and raise it. Down here is going to be our battery disconnect switch, our jump pack spot, 12 volt plug-in spot to plug in our jacks and use our electric jacks. Down here's 120 power, access to get inside, our fridge access, propane, and our Lipper on the go ladder bracket. We have a nice big entry door handle on the outside. Coming inside of this 1600, we'll see this big bed up front. This measures out to 66 by 75. We have our air conditioner in here, 12 volt fan above the bed. We have our soft side cabinets. Those are hanging cabinets. This camper comes with 3 of them. Here's our kitchen with 2-burner stove and stainless steel sink. Our heater blower, our secondary bed. This pops up into a dinette table. There's our stairs underneath, spot for a table. Little window underneath. Table's underneath the bed right now. There's the other spots for the 2 hanging cabinets. With some countertop space. Our nice 12 volt fridge. Runs off battery with a little freezer section. Next to that we have our drawer. Under that we have a little spice rack and stereo. That's our connect switch for our power lift and roof lift. Fire extinguisher down below. This thing weighs 1,197 pounds. Comes with 20-pound propane tank.
So, what do you think of the 1600? This thing is an awesome truck camper, has a lot of options, and we can still fit it inside of those small little trucks. Thanks for watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that notification sign and keep on coming back for more. If you want to see a thorough walkthrough, check out the Extreme Lifestyle channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.